Have you ever heard of Déjà Vu Revision? So let me tell you about this interesting revision technique. Because if you understand this one concept, your revision will never feel confusing again. You know that moment when you read something and instantly feel, I have seen this before. That smooth sense of familiarity, that's déjà vu. And this is not random. This is your brain telling you, I recognize this path. So here's something fascinating. Your brain doesn't just store information, it stores the sequence, the flow, the experience of learning. So when you revise in the same order, same style, your brain literally starts walking on a well worn path. But most students break this path. They study from one teacher, then revise from multiple books, random notes, different videos, and suddenly that smooth familiarity disappears. Now everything feels new, and revision becomes slow and frustrating. And let's be honest, if revision feels new, you are not revising, you are relearning. That's when why even after hours of revision, recall in exam feels weak. Now here's the core idea of déjà vu revision. Revision should feel like replaying the same experience. Same notes, same sequence, same teacher, same explanation. Because familiarity builds recognition and recognition strengthens memory. So, this is actually how memory consolidation works. Each time you revisit the same path, your brain strengthens those neural connections. It becomes faster, smoother, and almost automatic. That's why sometimes you can predict the next line before even reading it. So here's what you should do. First, revise using your original source, your class notes, your teacher's presentation, or the exact same YouTube video which you saw on day 1. Then test yourself. Try active recall. And only after that, add extra sources if needed. Because too many sources don't increase knowledge, they often destroy clarity. Smart students don't chase more content, they strengthen the same pathway again and again. Now, here's my question for you. Are you revising or just relearning without realizing it? So, if this gave you clarity, subscribe to my channel where we don't just study harder, we learn how to think and study smarter. So, that's all. Thank you.